So you were saying that so you were checking his work, and you were saying that the F factor, that's the last thing that is transcribed. Transferred, yes. So the F factor is represented graphically as these square blocks, right?
And these triangles are the origin of transfer. So,
indicating the direction.
Right. So it started here, transfer gene I first, or C first, I, C, that's a G, my bad. C, I, G, J, in this clockwise direction. So the last thing that's always transferred is the F factor, and that's what he drew in right
Okay.
here. Same thing for this one. This has to be strain 4. So he showed that the origin is before G, which makes sense because G was the first thing transferred.
Yeah.
This one's going counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise.
And this line represents the F factor, which is the last thing to be transferred in strain 4's case.
So you say that to garner maximum points on an exam, you need to do minutes also, right? So we're going to do the minutes?
Sure.
Okay.
So we could start anywhere in our list of, this is just our raw data we can use to figure out the minutes between any genes.
Okay.
So it's always going to be the difference between the two.
So if my understanding is correct, when we talk about minutes, a minute is a measure of the distance, actually, between genes as located.
It's time. It is time. It's minutes as in time.
Okay.
And it correlates to distance.
Got it.
So
Makes sense. Okay, so it's sort of a way of talking about distance, but we just said minutes. Okay, cool.
Because they're interrupted mating terms. So basically this means gene C came 15 minutes after transfer started. Gene I came 20 minutes after transfer started. Gene G came 30 minutes after transfer started.
And when we say transfer, what are we talking about? From what to what?
From bacteria to bacteria. Remember,
Okay.
this is a recombination.
Yeah, recombination from bacteria to bacteria. So there's sort of like transferring packages. It starts at a certain time to get on the airplane or your lost luggage, and then there's an
This is not
endpoint.
called. What is it called again?
Conjugation, I believe.
Conjugation, yeah.
Ooh,
So
that's when that little pili sticks out and
exactly.
transfers.
So, conjugation.
Yes,
They transfer a gene.
like a conjugal visit.
Yeah. Okay, so anyway, so we're going to find the minutes between each gene. We can look right here between C and I. We see the difference between the two is 5 minutes.
Right, okay.
And we can even confirm it on another strain. So here we see C and I again, that's 5 minutes, so we know for sure. The difference between C and I is 5 minutes.
We just use simple subtraction and get that number of 5 minutes between those
So
two.
now let's look
Okay.
for I and G.
Let's do that.
I to G, 10 minutes.
I to G, 10 minutes.
Here again, 10 minutes.
Oh my gosh, you're like Sherlock Holmes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay,
G
great.
to J. G to J, we got 15 minutes here. Do we have a chance?
G to J, where is G?
Okay, we'll trust that. 15
Okay.
minutes.
Oh, bummer. Okay, let's go.
J to E. Here's E and J, that's 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Here's we can confirm it here.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It confirmed perfectly. And we put down 5 minutes. Excellent.
E to H. 10 minutes. 10 minutes again. Go with it.
It works. Oh my, science works. This is incredible.
H to A. That is 15 minutes.
The joke's on us, huh?
Another 15 minutes.
15 minutes, so it's 15 minutes, and then we check. So we're doing the minutes between the genes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes. B to F. Let's see, here we go. That's 20 minutes. And
B to F, right? Oh, my hand is. Oh, what a hand that is.
so we'll go with 20. D to B. D to B, that is 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And our last one will be D to C. And right here. There's 15, you got 15.
And, oh my gosh.
So, and now we're done.
Oh, that was excellent. That was about that conjugation, a transfer of genetic information. Oh, baby.